Hey loves, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys what I got for Christmas 2021. I love watching these videos every single year, and I thought that you guys would like it too, especially if you clicked on this video. So yeah, I don't want to make this intro too long, so we are just going to get right on into the video. So starting off with what Santa got me. Santa just got me two things this year. I didn't really ask for much, but he gave me some Adidas socks, which I just guess he thought I could use some socks. So I found this in my stocking, which was really nice, and I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these. And then the last thing Santa got me was some little assorted chocolates, some of my favorite. I love the Lindor, I think that's what it's called. I love these chocolates so much, so yeah, that is all that Santa got me. So now we're just gonna get into the gifts that all my family and friends got me, and we're gonna be starting off with my mom. So the first thing that I opened from my mom was Lush. I always get Lush every single year. Well, I always ask for it because I just love Lush, one, and I also think some of their best scents are around Christmas time, and specifically the Snow Fairy scent. So I kind of had a feeling that I was gonna get Lush, but it was definitely a surprise because it's not just Lush. It has my freaking name on it. I didn't even know that you could do this with Lush products, but yeah, it has my freaking name on it, and I just thought that was so cool. It was like not a surprise that I was getting Lush for Christmas, but it was a surprise that my name was on it. And when I opened it, I was just kind of like shocked. I was like, wait, is that my name? And yeah, and I just thought that was really cool. And then also inside the box, along with my gel, it came with a little Snow Fairy bath bomb. I don't know if you can see it. I don't really want to pick it up just because it's gonna get my hands kind of sandy. But it also came with a travel size Let the Good Times Roll face and body cleanser. So I can try that out, and I'm super excited to do so. So the second thing that my mom got me was this super cute tray and cake stand from Home Goods, which I have a set like this already, but I had seen this in the store, and it's a little bit different from the one that I have, because this is like marble on the inside, which I just thought was so adorable and cute. And so I just saw this in the store and I was like, oh my god, that's so cute, and I really like that. And she ended up getting it for me. So I really love this, and I don't know if I'm necessarily gonna use this for like cake and like pastries. I'm probably gonna like put like a candle in here or something like that. And yeah, I just really love this. I think it's super cute. The last thing that my mom got me were just a whole bunch of gift cards to different places that I like. That's like one of the main things that I love receiving around Christmas time is money and gift cards. Just because I think it's like just the easiest gift, and I love to pick out the stuff that I like, and I like to go shopping as well, so I just think it's like a perfect gift for me. But she got me a Starbucks gift card, she got me 2 Panera gift cards, she got me an Amazon gift card, and then she got me cash, and she also got me a P.F. Chang's gift card. Well, this is actually technically for my boyfriend, but also kind of like a gift to me because it's like a dinner date thing for us. So yeah, she got this for him, but it's also kind of like my gift too in a way, and I just am holding on to it so my boyfriend doesn't lose the gift card. So we're now gonna get into the gift that my stepdad got me. He had just got me this super cute little hat and glove set, and it's in this pretty like beige tan color, and it has like pearls on it, which I just think is so adorable. I absolutely love this, and he said that this is like, he got this color for me because he really likes this color on me, and it's really nice. And on the inside of the hat, it's like this silky like material, which I really love and is actually very good for your hair, so I really love this. And then along with the hat and gloves, he gave me some cash. So now we're gonna get into what my brother got me. My brother got me this super cute like baby blue tumbler from Simple Modern. And yeah, this is such a nice like little like stainless steel cup, and I love having these types of cups to put my drinks in, and I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. And along with the cup he gave me, he also got me a Starbucks gift card, which was really nice. I don't have it with me because it's actually in my purse because I'm about to go get Starbucks, but yeah, he got me this, and this was a super nice gift. So now we're gonna get into what my boyfriend John got me. So the first thing that he actually got me, that is not gonna be shown in this video just because it hasn't came in the mail yet, is this super cute like little Burberry headband. He got that for me. That's something that I've been wanting for quite a while now, but I just never got around to purchasing. So he bought it for me, and it just simply didn't come in time for the holiday season, but once it does come, it will be mine. So yeah, he got me that, and I just wanted to mention that because I don't know, it's still kind of like what I got for Christmas, but it's just not going to be featured in the video. And then the second thing he got me is something that I asked for because I just really wanted some Aveda hair care products, which was just so nice of him to get me. I just have like really thick hair, and it's such like a process to work with. It's like hectic, and I wanted some shampoo and conditioner that will be really good for my hair and help my hair, because I just feel like my hair is very like frizzy and all over the place. Oh, and also another reason why I asked for Aveda hair care products was because my boyfriend actually got his hair done at Aveda once, and after that his hair was like the softest like feeling hair that I've ever felt. So yeah, that's another reason why I asked for Aveda, because I want my hair to be as soft as how his was. Like, it was like the softest thing I've ever felt. He also got me a couple of different hair scrunchies. He actually got me like just like regular hair scrunchies, and then these like little like hair ties, and they're super cute and colorful. I really love these, and I get a lot of use out of hair ties and scrunchies. He also got me these satin pillowcases for smoother skin and healthier hair, which I need, and I love this. He also picked out this super cute like little candle. It's gardenia and white peach. And then he also got me this Blossom Blush hand cream from Atenia Reed, London. And yeah. And then the last thing he got me for Christmas was this super cute like little knit blue throw blankets. And I really love this. It never fails. I always get some sort of like throw blanket during the Christmas time, and I have like so many, but I love them and I use them, and yeah, so I'm very happy that I got this. It's super soft and comfortable. So now we're gonna get into what my boyfriend's mom got me. She got me 2 boxes full of like pink kitchenware, which is just super pretty. And I love like baking, and John loves cooking, so she got this for both of us to just do baking and cooking at our home. And it's just super cute. I'll show you a few of the things that are in this box. It's a really huge and heavy box, and yeah, so it's a little like bit of a struggle for me to like show everything in this, but just super cute and nice like little kitchenware that she got me, and this was just so freaking sweet of her. She didn't have to get any of this, but she did. And yeah, that's what my boyfriend's mom got me. Now we're gonna get into my boyfriend's aunt's gift and what she got me. She got me this beautiful black purse bag. It's a really nice big bag, and I really love these bags to use for like traveling and whatnot. And so I just really love this. It's super sleek looking and really nice, and it would work very well as like a computer bag, so I'll have to get a laptop next year to put in this bag. And then she also got me just these cute little chopsticks in this very beautiful like pouch. It's so cute. And I love chopsticks, especially like when I'm eating like Chinese food and all that. So yeah, she got me this and I just think this is so adorable. Say hi. This is my cute little kitty. Her name's Lyra. Isn't she cute? So that is all the gifts that I received from my family and friends this year, and now I'm going to get into what I got myself for Christmas. And the first thing that I picked out for myself for Christmas was this very beautiful Chanel book. It is the Collections and Creations of Chanel, and this is off of Amazon. It's originally a $40 book, and it was on sale for, I want to say, like $25, something like that. But I used my Fetch app, which I love, and I was able to get this book for $15, which was such an amazing deal. If you guys don't know what Fetch Rewards is, it's an app where you scan receipts and you earn rewards back, and you can redeem your points for gift cards, which is what I do. I usually reward myself for Amazon gift cards, but there's so many other places that you can choose from. And I know like some of my favorites are like Dunkin', Starbucks, Caribou, things like that, but they have just so many other places you can choose from. I've been using Fetch Rewards since the beginning of this year, and now throughout this whole year I have saved $90. Well, I've actually not saved, I've made $90 for free. So I highly recommend the app, and if you use my code and my link down below in the description box, you can get 2,000 points free, I believe, which is such an amazing deal. So I highly recommend it. And yeah, I love this app. Regardless of if you use my code, I think you should download this app because, I mean, I highly recommend you use my code because you're getting free points, but I recommend this app because it truly, I love it. It's definitely one of those apps that like sounds too good to be true, but it is true and it is too good. So yeah. So the next thing I got myself for Christmas was this beautiful For Love and Lemons set, which I have been eyeing for a long time now, and when it finally went on sale, that is when I picked it up. And yeah, I'm super happy to now have this set. I just think it's so adorable. And yeah. The next thing I got for myself for Christmas was this beautiful like little like lace bra from Victoria's Secret, and this is like one of the most comfortable bras I've ever like tried on, and I didn't think it would be, but it is. It's really nice, and I also just love the lace detail, and it has like pearls on the front as well, so I really like this. And because when I did my shopping it was around Black Friday, I had gotten a free tote bag and this free Victoria's Secret blanket. I don't have the tote bag with me because I gave that away as a gift because I just have so many Victoria's Secret tote bags already, and I get a lot of use out of the Victoria's Secret tote bags, but I was just like, I should give this away to someone who might need it a little bit more than I do. So I gave that away, but I did keep the blanket because this blanket is so cute and freaking love this. And then also at Victoria's Secret, I had this coupon for a free panty, so I just picked out these pretty lavender ones. So that's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below any video requests you have for me. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. They will all be in the link description box below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate. I just hope you had an amazing time. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.